like us to take note of the fact that this is the first of its kind meeting, and have you learned something new today?
Yes.
Should we do it again?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I would like to declare this forum officially open, not for only one time, but for repetitive times, for as many times as possible. On behalf of the Private Sector Foundation Uganda, I'd also like to thank the entire leadership behind this initiative. It is initiatives like this that we're looking for to transform our country. So you hit it spot on. Thank you very much. God bless you. We pray that provision will come in your direction so that we can continue having these meetings at a much wider scale. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I am sure you have